In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list in Thinkorswim. If you want a quick way to track specific stocks in one place, creating a watch list is a great feature to use. It helps you stay organized and makes it much easier to monitor the symbols you care about, whether you're following tech stocks, momentum names, or a personal group of favorites. To get started, go to Thinkorswim web and make sure you're logged into the platform. Once you're in, look for the Market Watch tab. This is where you'll find tools related to quotes, symbols, and watch lists. Click on Market Watch to open that section. Next, select Quotes. After that, move your attention to the watch list area. You should see the name of the current watch list that's being displayed. Right next to that watch list name, there will be a menu you can click. Open that menu to access more watch list options. From the list of options, choose Create Watch List. This will open the setup for a brand new custom watch list that you can build yourself. Now give your watch list a name. Make the name something clear and easy to recognize so you can find it later without confusion. For example, you might use a category name based on your strategy or sector, such as scalping stocks or tech stocks. The exact name is up to you, but choosing something descriptive will make your workspace easier to manage over time. After naming the watch list, enter the stock symbols you want to include. Add them one per line so the platform can recognize each ticker correctly. For example, you might enter symbols like AAPL, NVDA, TSLA, or AMD, each on its own line. Take a moment here to make sure the tickers are typed correctly because even a small typo can pull up the wrong symbol or cause it not to load. Once you've entered your symbols, click Save. Your new watch list will then be created and available inside the watch list area.